Welcome to another Beer Cheers RC crawler video. We're going to do a quickie here on a couple of vehicles I've had for a while now and I haven't made a video on. We have the WLToys A969B and the A959B. Both of these vehicles have the 540 brushed motor in them. Same chassis basically, different tires. You can see the pins on the Buggy. Some truck tread on the stadium truck. I don't have the radio for the Buggy with me today. I forgot it at home. I was going to do a drive comparison here, but I'll be able to drive this one. This one's much easier to drive. These tires slide more than they catch. This thing wants to flip over at 40 miles an hour every time. So yeah, brushed motor. Let's see if I can show you some stuff here. It's got metal CVs and cups. Full ball bearings. Pull the body out quick here for you. It has a receiver ESC combo. I've had one of these start on fire before in another vehicle I'll show you guys. But it has a full servo, or a regular servo, proportional. Quote unquote oil filled shocks, but they leak. Wait, look at that, and that's the 540. Look at the size of the motor compared to the car. It's huge. Alright, let's do a running video. Oh, yeah, it also comes with 7.2 or 7.4 2S 1500 mAh battery with Deans. So, pretty nice. Or ultra plugs, whatever you want to call them. Alright, let's do it. Alright, let's run this bitch. It's going to be fast. I don't think I'll be able to get up to top speed here, but I do have my Fly Sky or Sky RC GPS speedometer I'm going to put on here in a minute. Way too fast. Way too fast. Okay. I also do not recommend trying to drive this thing off-road. Well, I tried to run it in this parking lot, but the cracks are too big. Like I was saying, both these trucks are too small to really go over anything bumpy without putting better shocks on them, and which I have not done. So we'll go over the chassis highlights on both of these and side by side them. So there's the Buggy, and there's the stadium truck. This here is a headlight I made out of a flashlight that doesn't come with the truck. I waterproofed around the bleeds and whatnot, trying to make it a little better. I wouldn't call it waterproof, but as you can see, plastic tie rods, plastic steering link, has a little servo saver on it. Same with this, and you can see on this one I tried putting oil in the shocks and the oil came out. I've made a little bash plate. Some of the screws are exposed, so I covered them with tape. But yeah, there's the package with the battery in it. Pretty compact, pretty small. But if you were to see down in there, there's also a metal four-wheel drive shaft too. Plastic gears inside, but metal on the outside. And really nice smooth diffs on this one. This one, however, kind of crunchy. Alright, I think I found a better location here we can run these today. I'll try to get a speed comparison between the 959B and the 969B. I brought the controller this time, and here we go. Let's give it a run. Alright, here we're going to find that this Buggy, I'll bring it around here, does not handle as well. but it is wicked fast. Alright, here's the 969 stadium truck. Let's see if we can't show you how they perform different. Hard to even keep up on this thing. Let's bring it in. I'm going to put the Sky RC GPS unit on it and see what we get. Okay, let's turn this on. I don't remember how to use this. There we go. Miles per hour. Hopefully it won't flip the dang truck over. Oh boy. That was reverse. One more time this direction. Let's see what we get so far here. Oh, it didn't hold the speed. Son of a gun. Here we go. Okay, here we go. One more time. That was pretty close. Let's bring it in here. At 33 miles an hour. That's pretty darn good. So as I'm saying, this one is pretty fun. The Buggy is pretty fun too. We're gonna drift against a Rustler 18th scale here in the next couple weeks. A friend of mine has one of those, and we're gonna set up a little course and see what a more expensive version of an 18th scale and what this is like. I think this is a 24th or an 18th. Yeah, definitely a little ripper. This is the 540 motor. There you go. That's good driving. So in conclusion, there we have it, folks. The Buggy, the 540, and the stadium truck with the 540. Decent controller, foam handle. You know, has trim and steering buttons or adjustability. 4 AA batteries that don't come with the trucks, obviously. At the time I purchased this one about a year and a half ago, a year ago. This was 65 bucks. And this one I paid a little more. I paid like $95, I think, for this one. And I do have another body for it, an exoskeleton type crawler body that I'm going to put on there eventually, and that gives you the flexibility of running the bigger monster truck tires off the 979 also. So really a lot of bang for your buck, really a lot of fun. For kids, I would recommend getting the 380 motor version, probably a lot more controllable, hence more fun to drive. These are just ruthless, but that's kind of fun as an adult, I guess. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Alright, I want to make a side note here. After those runs, that motor is pretty hot and the ESC was pretty hot. And just in the running that you saw me do, I'd advise that if you do run it, be leery of the temperature. It's only maybe 65 degrees today out here, so you want to keep an eye on that temp, because I have had one of these ESC receiver combos start on fire in a different truck, a Toyobi Pouncer, which I'll make a video of one of those here coming up. And I also mentioned that I'm going to be drifting against an 18 scale Rustler, Traxxas Rustler, and in the meanwhile I'm going to be putting metal gear differentials in it and way better shocks, some hot racing oil filled shocks that don't leak, and they're a big bore also, so it should help this thing from hopping and spinning out. And I'll do a video on the upgrade on that before I do the drift course, and we'll keep you posted. Hopefully we'll be doing that soon. That should be a lot of fun.